Hey, it's Julia Fox, and this is Phoning It In with Elle. First of all, I never call anybody. I never answer cold calls. I never answer calls from anybody. So this all feels very foreign, and I'm already sweating. Let me see. I think I want to start a fashion line and make one my muse. I'm gonna call Law Roach, my co-host of OMG Fashion. But he'd only hate it if it was like fast fashion. All right, let's do it. Hey, babe.
Hi, lover.
I miss you.
I miss you too. What's up?
Okay, so I got this crazy offer, this crazy opportunity, and I wanted to run it by you because I was thinking of like bringing you on as like my muse, my partner. Reached out.
Who?
You know, the fast fashion company we don't like.
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
They want to give us $2 million to basically start like a diffusion line. The whole point is that it's sustainable, so it's about not using a lot of fabric. So it would be like thongs and micro bikinis.
Could they also, and I'm just thinking ahead, could they also make stuff out of the scraps and out of the leftovers?
Exactly.
Shit.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
scraps.
amazing.
A whole line made of scraps.
That should be the name. Shit.
Oh my God, Scraps, that's a really good name. Oh my God, see, I knew that's why I needed to bring you in on this because you're just a fucking genius and I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. I love you for thinking about me. It's such a bad name.
Lom,
You know what I mean?
I'm totally pranking you right now.
That's funny.
I love that you went for it. I love you. This is fine. This is my bitch because she would fucking do it with me. Well, we just put it in the universe, so we're gonna manifest it. I'll circle back with a real offer soon.
Okay, bye.
Okay. I can't believe she went with it. This is funny. Okay, what else could we do? I'm trying to think like who would be fun though. You know, there was a prank girls calling their dad and being like, I got this amazing opportunity from Exxon. They want me to go work on an oil rig and just raise awareness about oil rigs.
so good.
Should we do that one? He's kind of weird with his phone, so he might. Oh,
Hello?
hi, Daddy, it's me.
Oh, hi, Julia. How are you?
I'm good. I wanted to run something by you. You know Exxon, the like gas company?
No, I don't know.
Okay, well, Exxon, it's a big gas company.
Oh, Exxon.
Yeah, ExxonMobil. Okay.
ExxonMobil. Okay,
Yes,
yeah.
ExxonMobil.
Yeah, what about it?
So they basically reached out for kind of like appearance opportunity thing, and they want to give me a lot of money to basically go raise awareness about like oil rigs and how they're not really like as bad as people make them seem. And I would spend like a week like documenting my time there.
Well, how much will they pay you to do this?
They said like 100,000, like 100,000.
That's a lot of money to make in a week, man.
Yeah. That's what I thought too, but then people were like, oh, it's so dangerous. They
It's not
explode.
dangerous. You think they're going to let a celebrity die on an oil rig? It's actually, they're amazing.
Okay, so you think I should take the job?
I think you should, and not only that, you know, I'm telling you right now, I do some research on energy and stuff. Nuclear energy is not bad, like the windmills.
The windmills are bad.
Well, by the time you factor in...
Okay, all right. Thank you. This was a prank call, by the way. I'm not actually going to an oil rig.
You know what? I want you to make a lot of money, man.
I'm gonna make a lot of money, but it's not gonna be through ExxonMobil or an oil rig, okay? All right, thank you. Oh, do you consent for me to use this call?
Oh, God.
Say yes, or you're not seeing Valentino.
Anything for you. I don't care.
Okay, all right, thank you, bye. So chaotic. Love how he was like $100,000. Gas isn't that bad. What else could we do? Maybe like calling my manager. What would be a good one for Allan?
I think you're gonna leave the industry and become a nun.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I'm not really doing well right now.
Okay.
And I think I want to just like leave the business, leave the industry. I'm done. I think I'm going to go to like a convent and live with the monks and like take ayahuasca and just like goodbye to everybody and everything. I'm just done. I'm done. I just hate doing press. Like, I don't want to do press tours
I don't blame
anymore.
you, right.
And I want to just go be a nun. I'm like over men too. I'm over dating. I'm over New York. I'm over LA. I want to go to Peru. I want to go
Okay,
to
but
Costa
you do
Rica.
have to finish the film. That's the only thing.
I'm not
We
doing
could
it. I
just
don't want to
stop.
do it. I don't want to do it.
Breathe a little. Let's talk on the weekend. I mean, Are you laughing? Or are you
No, I'm
feeling
crying.
April Fool? Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. Oh,
I'm having a hard
I'm
time.
sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have hard times a lot, so I understand, okay? I totally understand.
Well, what do you
really
think I should do?
I struggle a lot, okay? And I just breathe. I end up breathing.
Well, I have
through
asthma
things.
and I vape a lot. I can't really do that.
Oh, God. I think we have to plan a big hiatus like you're talking about now. Honestly, I really do. I completely get it.
Will you come with me if I go to Peru and take ayahuasca?
Yeah, I would do that.
Okay.
I've never done something like that. I would do that. I've never done that. Yes. Okay? But I think you have to take a long break if that's the case, and I totally get it.
Allan, this was a prank phone call.
I thought it was, but I felt bad for you. You're so good.
Everyone is going to want you as their manager after this. People are going to be breaking your door
You
down.
know what? I'm fine with just you, sweetheart. I love you so much.
Oh, I love you
And
too. You're
I-
my favorite person. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. That was so good. He was like, just breathe. What else could we do? Maybe we do the Housewives one with a New York housewife. What would the prank be? Like,
Andy just called me. I'm gonna start filming, but he told me I'm taking the place of somebody.
that's brutal. I'm gonna call Jessel from Real Housewives of New York.
Hi.
Hey babe, how are you?
Oh, it's so nice to hear from you.
I know, I miss you.
I miss you too. How's everything?
I have some like crazy tea that I want to run by you.
Okay.
So Andy called me last night
Yeah.
and he says he wants me to join the cast, but he's getting rid of someone. Who is he getting rid of?
Wait, shut up.
Yeah, who is he replacing?
Wait, but we already started filming.
Well, I guess this is for next season. Did something go down like in the last couple weeks of filming?
No. You know what it probably is? I feel like not gonna come back.
Oh, okay.
Wait, that's insane.
I
You have to do
know.
it.
I know. I have to do it.
The one thing I will tell you is that it will fucking catapult you because the amount of press eyeballs, like it's just like a non-stop machine.
I
right?
know.
So,
It feels like overwhelming though. Like I don't know if I could handle it mentally and emotionally and spiritually.
you know, I think if you can handle Kanye, you can handle this.
True. I actually couldn't handle it, actually. Okay, babe, this is total bullshit. I'm prank calling you right now.
Such a bitch.
I know, I love you. But I was like, I know Jessel will be like the most fun to call out of all of them. Okay.
Bitch, I'm gonna pay you back.
Okay, I'll be waiting. I can't wait. Bye, babe. Oh my God, that was so funny. Thanks for watching me on ELLE, and don't forget to tune in to OMG Fashion, only on E, May 6th.